In this tutorial on eClix, I will be showing you how you can make a minimum of $5,000 using Amazon and Canva by creating children's coloring books. Let's go! Head on over to Amazon and type in Kids Coloring Book. This coloring book, for an example, being sold at $5.99 with this amount of reviews. Doing quick math, over $130,000 has been made. Let me show you how we're going to do this. Now I want you to head over to Canva. It's free to sign up. Once you're in Canva, go ahead and click on Create a Design. Canva has templates for almost everything. Go ahead and type in coloring books. Then you can go ahead and scroll through and pick out which one that you like best. Now I'm going to go through and just customize it and make it my own. When you're ready to download, make sure you save it as a PDF print. Head on over to KDP where they will publish, print, and ship to anybody that wants to buy. Follow me for more content on how to make money online.